Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study the GRE Big Book. This classic resource offers 27 retired GRE tests, providing invaluable practice. Begin by understanding its structure and the types of questions presented. Treat each section as a mini-exam, adhering strictly to time limits. This approach helps build stamina and familiarizes you with the test's pace. Remember, consistent, focused practice is key to mastering the exam. For verbal reasoning, dedicate significant time to text completion and sentence equivalence. These sections test your vocabulary and logical inference. When tackling reading comprehension, focus on identifying the main idea and author's purpose in about 2 minutes per passage. Actively build your vocabulary by creating flashcards for new words encountered. Thoroughly review explanations for both correct and incorrect answers to refine your verbal skills. Quantitative reasoning requires a strong grasp of foundational math. Systematically work through all problem types, especially quantitative comparison, which makes up about 1/3 of the section. Practice data interpretation questions to enhance your ability to quickly analyze charts and graphs. Identify your weak areas in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis, then dedicate extra study time there. Consistent practice with these older questions will solidify your understanding. Effective review is crucial for improvement. Create an error log to document every mistake, noting the question type and reason for error. Revisit challenging questions after a few days to test your retention and understanding. Regularly take full-length practice tests under strict, timed conditions to build stamina and manage pacing. Focus not just on getting the right answer, but on understanding the underlying logic and strategies for each problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.